You can imagine meeting a child for the first time. You say, hello, and look at this, meeting a child for the first time. You say, hello, Mark. The child is looking, oh, you know my name. Oh, that's good. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Gift as always. So in today's video I will be talking about assessment, how you can assess a child, basic assessment. I'm not talking about diagnostic assessment, but what I'm talking about is more of basic assessment. If you are meeting a child for the first time and you are to work with the child as a therapist, what are those areas that you need to look out for? This topic was actually demanded by a subscriber. I am so sorry, baby girl, for putting out this video this late. It is not easy to be a working class mom, okay? And then you need to be a mom and you have to be a wife and then you have to be a content creator. It's not easy, so I'm so sorry. Apologies, all right? So let's dive right into today's video, all right? So I'm talking more on basic assessment of learning, okay, for a special needs child, okay? Meeting a child for the first time is very important that you do assessment. That initial assessment is highly recommended. One, it will help you to know the current level of performance of the child, and it will also help you to track progress. When you've started therapy with the child or you have started intervention with the child, it will help you to know where the child was when you started and how the child is progressing, okay? So, and it will also inform your re-evaluation, because it will also help you with your planning. When you are trying to develop an IEP or a program for the child, you need to know where the child level is. You need to know the current performance of the child so that you will know how to tailor the child's program to suit the child's current level of performance while you are trying to work on the child challenges also, okay? Having said that, it is important for you to have a tool you are working with. Okay, so what are you working with? What are you basing your assessment on? Which of the tools? Make sure you are trained or you are skilled, okay, before using any assessment tool. It's important so that you know what you are looking at for. Okay, so what are those things that are necessary when you are trying to assess a child? First thing first, you need to know about this child. You are meeting the child for the first time, but before then, you can get basic information about the child from the child's parents or caregiver or guardian, whoever the person is. You need to know the child's name, maybe what the child likes, that's reinforcer, maybe activity, favorite toy. Is there a nickname they call that child? Remember, you are meeting the child that for the very first time. You need to also try to, create that rapport, right? So you can imagine meeting a child for the first time. You say, hello, and look at this, meeting a child for the first time. You say, hello, Mark. The child is looking, oh, you know my name. Oh, that's good. Okay, so it's important that you know the child's name or know the nickname, however they address the child. Just try and get those. Just try and get the name. Get the child's favorite toy. You can meet the child with, presenting the favorite toy so that the child can easily, transition to you and, follow your lead. Okay. So it's important. Now, having gotten the basic information that you need, the areas you can look out for, I will be talking more on 5 main areas that you can look out for when trying to assess a child. In another video, I'm going to go into one of these domains after the other, describing activities you can find under each domain.